I'm going to be teaching you guys how to replace your door lock actuators on a 2012 Camry SE. This is the four-cylinder option to it. So you'll pop out a little thing right here. There'll be like a little cover. You'll get a bolt with a Phillips head on it, and then you'll have two more when you pop this part off, and then this part will pop off after you pop this part off. Take those two off right there, and then you can get to that. So once you get the panel off and all that, this is what it looks like inside. And replace your door lock actuator, you'll have to get into here. So you have to peel off this plastic cover right here to get to the inside of this, and then there's a couple cables you'll have to undo. So if I take the new one, see there's a cable right here, and then here's another cable. You have to take these two off. There's a part right there, and then in here you pop this part right here off, and it opens up and you could put that one in. And then make sure you keep these where you can see them, because these things you'll need later. And once you get both of these on, there's a little clip that goes in there. There's a clip that holds that one. Same thing for inside here. And then you'll feed these through a little area right here. I don't know if you guys can see the hole or not, but there's a little hole inside the paper or the cover, whatever you want to call it. You'll feed that through just like that. And then you'll put this inside like this. Turn it down and bring it back up to right here. So you'll bring it up into it, and then you'll have to kind of finesse it to get into this little area right here. So you need this to have the cord for it, and then right here you'll have to have that. So you have to kind of finesse it in there. Okay, once you get it finessed in there, it'll be perfect. And then there's 3 torque screws that will hold it in place, and that's all you got to do. And then this part right here, that's where your cord goes, and then it all works. So if you did it right, you should be able to press this, go like this, and press the lock. Make sure that is unlocked so you know if it's right. Then you'll take your key and press the unlock button, and if it opens, you did it right. And then test it for another time, and that's good.